everybody, my name is OLGA TRUJILLO and I'm going to show you some tool recipes, especially for doing when you are making an outdoor activity like campfire. So the first recipe is a chicken satay and the other one is preparing some delicious hot dogs. So the ingredients for the chicken satay are chicken, I have already chopped them, tomato and some onions. For the hot dogs, here we have some bread, especially for hot dogs. We have the sausages, and for the sauce we have here mustard, mayonnaise and ketchup. On the grill we are going to put for the satay chicken. Here we have already grilled them. We have the chicken, the onions, the tomato, and we have already put them. Here you can see they are already. Look at the color, it looks a little bit brown. They are ready. The same we did for the sausages. We put the sausages onto the grill, and now, as you can see, they are ready. We put the sausages inside the bread, and finally we add the sauces. For example, the mustard or the ketchup. So after doing, I'm going to show you how to do it. So here we have the ketchup. We can add it.